So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have a rectangular box with its edges oriented along the axis, and the center of this box is the origin, and A is one of the vertex, and AB and AC are two face diagonals of sides adjacent to A, of faces adjacent to A. And if that is so, angle BOC, so if you have origin as the center, so I have angle BOC as alpha, angle AOB as gamma, angle AOC as beta. So if that is so, you are asked to find the value of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. That is, what is the sum of cosines of angles subtended by AB at the center, AC at the center, and BC at the center. That's the question. So now how do we do this? So what we can do is, so this is a rectangular box. So let us assume that the length, breadth and height. So let us assume that length is L, breadth is B, and height is H. So now effectively you are asked to find the angles, that cosines of the angles made by these lines at the center. So what I do is, so without loss of generality, let us shift the center from O to A. So let us take O as origin. So even if you change the coordinate system, the coordinates change, but the angles don't change. So even I can calculate these angles even with this coordinate system. So let one of the vertex be taken as 0, 0, 0. So let this be the length, let this be the breadth, length, breadth, and let this be the height. So now if the edges are along the coordinate axis, obviously B will be in xy plane. If this is x, if this is y, and if this x is z, B will be in xy plane and C will be in yz plane. Now if A is taken as origin, what are the coordinates of B? So B is in xy plane, so z coordinate will be 0. And what are the x and y coordinates? L, B. Now if you take C, C is in yz plane, so x coordinate will be equal to 0. And what will be the y coordinate? It will be B, and the z coordinate is equal to H. Now you got all the 3 points A, B, C. Now what are the coordinates of the center with respect to this? So the extreme corner will be LBH. So the midpoint will be L by 2, B by 2, and H by 2. So to go to the center, I have to go half the distances, L by 2, B by 2, and H by 2. So this will be the center. Now let us find the vectors. So to find the angles, so it's always better to find the vectors. What is OA bar and OB bar? So what is OA bar and OB bar? So OA bar is nothing but position vector of A minus position vector of O. So what is position vector of A minus position vector of O? So OA bar has the components minus L by 2, minus B by 2, minus H by 2. And OB bar has components B bar minus O bar. I have to subtract the coordinates of this minus this. So I get L by 2, B by 2, and minus H by 2. So these are the components of vector correspond to OA bar. These are components correspond to the vector OB bar. So now what is cos of? So this is OA bar and OB bar. So I get cos of angle AOB. So cos gamma is equal to so dot product of these two by magnitude of this into magnitude of this. So what is the dot product of this? Minus L square by 4 minus L square by 4 minus B square by 4 plus H square by 4 and divided by root of L square by 4, B square by 4, H square by 4, again L square by 4, B square by 4, H square by 4. So L square by 4 plus B square by 4 plus H square by 4 whole square. So this 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 4 times minus L square minus B square plus H square divided by 1 by 4 times L square plus B square plus H square. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 gets cancelled. So the mod of this will be cos alpha. Even if I multiply it with minus, it doesn't really matter. So this implies cos gamma is equal to minus L square minus B square plus H square by L square plus B square plus H square. So that's the value of cos gamma. Now let us try to find cos beta. So this time you don't need to do all the calculations. Similarly, if you try to find OC bar and OA bar and try to find the angle between them, so you get, so gamma is related to L and B, so you get minus L square minus B square plus H square. So in cos beta, so you have minus for B square and H square, so minus B square minus H square plus L square by L square plus B square plus H square. So now what is remaining is cos alpha. Cos alpha is the angle between B, O and C. So this looks slightly unsymmetric because you have a phase diagonal coming here. So let us try to find whether it follows the same pattern or not. So what is OC bar? OC bar is nothing but C minus O, that is minus L by 2, B by 2 and H by 2. And what is OB bar? OB bar is nothing but B minus O, that is L by 2, B by 2 and minus H by 2. So again, what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is the dot product of these two. So minus L square minus H square plus B square. So minus L square minus H square plus B square by L square plus B square plus H square. You're getting the same answer, getting the same pattern. So cos alpha is there, cos beta is there, cos gamma is there. So what you can just add them. The denominators are same. So you just need to add the numerators. So if you add them, you get cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to minus 1. I hope you can add them. It's very simple. The denominators are same, just need to add the numerators. So you get minus 1 as the answer. Thank you.